What you doing, babe?
Let me just step out of my big booty Judy dooley.
What are you doing?
We just picked up this jewel right here. His name is Hank.
Hank.
Not to
So the
confuse-
whole world calls me Hank. Anyway, Cooley, Chop RATZ Garage.
Candace, sup losers.
What y'all doing? This it ain't a dime bag. It's not a.
It's a tank.
It's a big booty Judy. Big booty Judy. Yeah.
Dually.
A dually. Yeah, big booty.
Camper
big booty dually.
Camper special.
It don't say it, but I don't even know what that means. But this high class white trash window we got right here, literally trash bag. Get it? No pun intended. Yeah.
Did Hank have a song about something about being trashy? I like my women a little bit.
On the trashy side? Yeah, that's what it was.
So
But
look
this
at
is a dude. You just called it Hank.
right, but didn't he have a song about trashy?
Yeah, you like his truck's a little on the trashy side.
There it is, right there.
Anyway.
Check out the OG stripes. Don't mind the whoever bondoed this.
Yeah, we gonna fix it. We gonna fix it.
You want to get in on it?
Yeah, this.
Let me introduce you to my sidekick who'll be helping me, Easton.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
That's Easton. One of my sons. I got lots of them.
Lots of them. Just two. Well, anyway, this big bad boy right here, I'm gonna turn Candace loose on it, and she's gonna do some little, what do you call it, little spruce.
Razzle dazzle.
Razzle dazzle, and we're gonna see where he lands.
Yes, we wanted to let y'all see what Hank looked like in the flesh before we start touching it. I love when Cooley showed me the ad on it. I love the OG stripes. A lot of people are coming back to these stripes, but these came with it. It still has the camper special interior, but a lot of it's got to be ripped out. I'm going to put a custom headliner in it, and we're going to bring the old original paint and stripes back to life with
Poppy's patina.
It has awesome patina on top, so I'm going to seal that deal. And then, of course, it's got some odd and ends that we need to fix. So I'm going to document the whole process of this. This is the first video to let y'all see what we got.
That's it. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.